Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2019. The session is May-June. This is question number 9. We'll have a look at triangular prism, volume and the use of basic trigonometry. So let's start. In front of us, they've given us a triangular prism. They said that the diagram shows a triangular prism. AC is 15, BC is 14 and angle ACB is 27 degrees. They've asked us to find AB. This is AB. So how do we find that? We use the cosine rule. So the cosine rule says that AB squared is equal to BC squared plus AC squared minus 2 times BC times AC cos ACB. Yeah. So let's plug in the values now. Since we're trying to look for AB, we keep that as it is. So BC is 14, so 14 squared. Plus AC is 15, so 15 squared minus 2 times 14 times 15 cos 27. Okay, now let's plug all these numbers into the calculator and let's see what we get. 14 square plus 15 square minus 2 times 14 times 15 times cos 27. Okay, what we get is why did I put the root sign over there? We get 46.78. Now since we're trying to find the value of AB, that means we find the square root of both sides. When we do that, this cancels out and you are left with the square root of 46, which is 6.84. So it is 6.84 centimeters. So we write that over here, 6.84. Okay, let's move on. The question says the length of the prism is P centimeter and the volume of the prism is 1000 centimeters cube. Calculate P. So they are telling us that this length is P. So we need to find P and they've given us the volume. The volume is 1000 centimeters cube. Now how to find the volume of a triangular prism? We multiply the area of the base, which is a triangle, with the length, which is P. So let's write down the formula. V is equal to base area times length. So in this case the volume is 1000, so we write 1000 times the base area. So we use the trigonometric formula for the area for the triangle, half times AC, which is 15, times BC, which is 14, times sine 27. And since we don't know the length, we write P over here. So eventually this becomes 1000 is equal to 0.5 times 15 times 14 times sine 27, and we get 47.67 P. So P is 1000 divided by 47.67, which gives us, let's do that, 1000 divided by this is 20.9, or we can write 21 centimeters. So P is 21 centimeters. Perfect. Let's move to the last part. The last part says the prism is to be packed in a carton. The carton is a cuboid of size 15 centimeter by P centimeter by 8 centimeter. Calculate the smallest possible value of H. Okay, I've highlighted the keywords. Now they've asked us to find the smallest possible value of H, but neither did they specify that H is the height or the length or whatever it is. So we just look at the diagram for once. Okay, so if this shape, let's remove all the scribblings. If this triangular prism is packed into a carton, the largest and the smallest side, this would be the longest side, and the smallest side is neither this, nor this, nor this, and of course not this. But if we draw a perpendicular line from the top of the triangle to AC, this would be the height. So let's call this H. This would be the smallest side of this triangle or this entire prism. So we need to find the value of H, since they've asked us to find the smallest dimension. H is the smallest dimension here, the height. So how do we do that? We use trigonometry to do that. So H is opposite of 27 degrees. So we write the formula for sine 27 is equal to the opposite, which is h, and the hypotenuse is 14. So h over 14. So h comes out to be sine 27 times 14. Let's find what that is. 1 second. Sine 27 times 14 gives us 6.36. So h is 6.36 centimeters. So let's write that over here, 6.36 centimeters. I hope the question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.